Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Pontoon Restoration series. This is video 7 in the series and the final video. We got it all done today and we're gonna get out on the lake, and it's raining now, but we're not gonna let that stop us. Let's get going. Last week we got the motor mounted and all the wiring hooked up for the nav lights, the motor, and accessories. What we have left is to wire up our switches and finish all our connections. Here I'm stripping all the wires that we ran and I'm connecting them together. Now I have a fuse block inside the helm already and I just have to hook these up. Now I've put a bunch of switches on the helm, 6 in total, but I only had really just the nav lights and my cup holders to hook up. I figure I'll probably come up with some more ideas in the future, maybe a phone charger, who knows. But I was pretty proud of getting these cup holders wired in. All right, with the wiring finished, we have to hook up the throttle and shifter connector. Putting that together, and I'll remember last week we had reversed those because it's the jet drive on that outboard. It isn't that standard outboard. And of course we need a steering wheel. You can't turn a boat without a steering wheel. And with that put together, the last thing I had to do to install was the door handles for the doors so they're not just flapping around. These were pretty easy to install. Just drill a couple holes and screw them together. Final piece of the puzzle on. I cleaned up all the leaves that have accumulated over the couple months of working on this. Threw in some life jackets and safety equipment, and of course a rope and an anchor. Next, I hooked the trailer up and backed it in place for the very daunting task of trying to get this off of the driveway and up onto the trailer. Now my idea for this was to get the pontoon as high as I could on jacks, and then put some jack stands underneath, and then get it higher some more. I used some cribbing underneath the jacks, and I kept bringing it up until I got above the bunk height of the trailer. And then to slide it on the trailer, I went ahead and soaked the trailer bunks down with some Dawn dish soap and water, and I did this until I could get it on the trailer. It really wasn't the safest thing. A forklift definitely would have came in handy right about now. But yeah, inch by inch, pulling it on, and just going slow and making sure to stay out from underneath so I don't get. It definitely took a while though. As you can see, it got dark out for the hour and a half this took me to get on there. You guys ready for a boat ride? All right, and finally the next day we are off. Now it is kind of gloomy today, but that's all right. We're gonna head down to the boat launch and get her in the water. What's the worst that could happen? But after the second time driving down there, I remembered to bring everything I needed, including a memory card for the camera. But through the magic of video editing, I made this launch appear effortless. Moment of truth, it floats. I'm so happy. Just grab the dogs out of the truck and give it a spin. Now, one thing I wasn't quite prepared for, so this jet lower on a regular outboard motor is very slow. These are not designed to be on pontoons at all, and it's pretty funny. I searched the heck out of this on the internet and I couldn't find a single pontoon with a jet lower, and now I know why. So there's definitely a reason. But one thing you can do that's pretty cool with a jet is you can lift the trim and spray a big jet of water out the back. So cruising along, I did a little more sightseeing with the dogs. We got to go up and down the river here, and yeah, I mean, this boat is a lot of fun. I think having this 19-foot build it yourself, it was a blast. And doing these videos, the video series was a lot of fun too. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you watched through the whole series, thank you. But I'm still looking for ideas and your comments, and let me know what you think. Do you guys like the boat? Do you like how it turned out? What don't you like about the boat? I know I got a comment before about the seats and that. Why didn't I fix the seats? And to answer that is I ran out of money. So you know what boat stands for, break out another 1,000, and I didn't have another 1,000 to break out. But we're gonna keep doing videos, and if you've enjoyed this, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. That's, I think, the only way I can make money on YouTube eventually. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.